Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best robotic pool cleaner for sand and silt. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Xpert Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Xpert's Super Scuba S1 is geared specifically toward cleaning the walls of your pool, so it's a great option to clean those hard-to-reach places. The pool cleaner can go up walls that are up to 105 degrees and was able to clean our pool walls, as well as exit the water to clean the tiles. The pool cleaner arrived charged. All we had to do was unbox it, so setup was very simple during testing. When it came time to charge this model, the manufacturers noted it would take 3 to 4 hours, though we found it to charge in just 2 hours. We could see the brushes and wheels moving during cleaning, and it was so thorough that when we removed the basket, it had successfully cleaned debris from the pool that we hadn't noticed. Just note that while the Super Scuba can clean anything in the pool, it won't skim the top of the pool as other pool cleaners do. When it comes time to remove this cleaner from the pool, it comes with a hook that you can attach to your pool cleaner to pull it out of the pool. However, we did note that it's definitely heavy and substantial and can be difficult to get out of the water. It is intelligent though, and will finish where it started to help make getting it out easier. Number 7 in my list is Polaris VRX IQ Plus Smart Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Polaris VRX IQ Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner with iAqualink control is the best pool cleaner if you prefer a unit that has multiple settings and is easy to transport. The pool cleaner comes with a steel caddy that makes it easy to move the unit from the pool to its storage spot. The robot cleaner features a 70-foot cable that comes in handy with each of the unit's cleaning settings. Smart Cycle, Quick Clean, Deep Clean, Waterline Only, and Custom. It can be controlled via an app, which allows you to also do targeted spot cleanings. Once you're done using the pool cleaner, you'll appreciate the included powder-coated alloy caddy. The design, which doesn't require any tools to assemble, has a handle that'll make it easy to move the robotic pool cleaner to a storage space in your backyard, so you won't have to worry about doing any heavy lifting. The wheeled caddy was easy for us to set up as it snaps in place and doesn't require any hardware. Plus, the caddy allows the unit to sit upright, which may end up saving you space, depending on where you store it. Number 6 in my list is Xpert Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Xpert 1000 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is the best pool cleaner if your pool is on the smaller side. We appreciated that it was simple to assemble, and the cordless style made it easy to store between cleanings. The model is ideal for pools that are up to 50 feet long. Since it's cordless, you won't have to worry about any tangled cords while it navigates your pool. We found that it was effective and were impressed with how much the small model cleaned. However, you'll want to be careful when you lift it out of the water, as some debris may fall back into the pool. It took us a few tries to find the best angle setting for the cleaner to work effectively. We also noted that the model spent a lot of time in the deeper end of the pool, so you should start it in the shallow end and return it there to ensure your whole pool gets cleaned. Number 5 in my list is Polaris 9650 IQ Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner. Whether home or away, you'll be able to control your robot right from your phone, including scheduling cleans and checking how dirty the filter is. You can also manually drive your robot around the pool and customize its cleaning pattern. Overall, we felt that the pool cleaner was effective at suctioning the pool walls and floor. It was able to easily climb up the waterline, unlike some other models. Plus, it runs quietly and can be programmed to different cleaning modes based on what your pool needs. The cleaner is 44 pounds, which is heavier than some other options out there. However, with this model, you can activate the cleaner's lift system through the app, which will tell your robot to scale the wall so you can easily lift it out of the water. Number 4 in my list is Dolphin Nautilus TC Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Nautilus TC Plus is the best robotic pool vacuum for in-ground pools. Easy to use and ideal for in-ground pools up to 50 feet. This machine will clean your pool in just 2 hours. Plus, we found that it was lightweight and user-friendly. Jewel scrubbing brushes effortlessly wipe down algae and grime, while a filter picks up even the finest particles of dirt and sand. Built-in sensors can detect obstacles at the bottom of your pool and avoid them with little interruption. The Nautilus is also designed to scale up pool walls and clean around stairs. Just keep in mind it won't scrub your waterline. Overall, we felt that it was a highly effective model to consider. It's also worth noting the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus has an easy-to-use 3-setting function, which allows you to schedule your robot to clean every day, every other day, or every third day. Thanks to the timer, you'll never have to worry if your pool is clean when you want to use it. Number 3 in my list is Dolphin Escape Robotic Pool Cleaner. Above-ground pools are either made of steel, aluminum, or resin, so you'll need a robotic pool cleaner, like the Dolphin Escape, that is made to tackle these surfaces. This pick's design is compact and lightweight. Plus, it even flattened the lining in our pool. One thing to love about this robot is the ultra-durable pair of scrubbing brushes that can scour away algae and other stubborn contaminants that can build up on the pool's floor. During testing, the pool cleaner was very effective, and it cleaned up all of the debris and leaves in the area. The tested pool is located near a tree, so there was quite a bit of buildup. The brush and tracks work seamlessly with this robot's smart navigation feature, which acts much like a GPS and helps the cleaner navigate your pool quickly. In fact, an entire clean cycle can be completed in just 1.5 hours. Just keep in mind that while the box was neatly organized and the instructions were accessible, they weren't very clear. In fact, the manufacturer recommends videos to watch for assembly, which we found helpful. Number 2 in my list is Xpert Southeast Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. During our first round of testing, we used whatever charge the unit already had when it arrived, and it seemed weak and slow. We fully charged the Seagull for the other 2 uses, however, and found that it picked up a majority of the debris in our pool. The pool cleaner is ideal for pools that have flat floors and no slopes. It's only designed to clean floors, not pool walls, and it did a good job cleaning pollen and other debris. While the Seagull picked up a good amount of leaves, it's not the best pool cleaner for cleaning larger piles. We liked that the model has a handle that makes it easier to place it in the pool, and it comes with a retrieval hook to help take it out of the water when it's done. Unlike some other pool cleaners on this list, there's no corresponding app to control it, but we felt snagging this effective pool cleaner for a more budget-friendly price was worth the trade-off of not having an app. Some advanced pool cleaners have multiple cleaning cycles to choose from, but with this pick, there's only one cleaning mode. Still, it'll clean your pool in 1.5 hours, and then we'll need to charge for 2.5 hours, which is considerably less than some other options. Number 1 in my list is Dolphin 2024 model, Explorer E50 Pool Cleaner. Although the pool cleaner is more expensive than other options, our testing proved to us why it was worth the investment. To start, setting up the unit was easy. All we had to do was plug it in and download the pool cleaner's app, which we found to be very user-friendly. There are a few cleaning cycles to choose from, but for our first round of testing, we gave one of the more advanced modes a try. It took 2.5 hours to clean our pool, and we found that easily picked up debris of all sizes. We also had similar results when trying other cleaning cycles that were shorter. The deep clean was due in part to the pool cleaner's double-filtered waste basket, which helped pick up even the finest debris. Once the basket is full, it's easy to remove and empty with the press of a button. One of our favorite features of this pool cleaner is the ability to customize the interface to suit your needs via the corresponding app, which we found was easy to set up and use. Whether you need to clean the whole pool or just the floors, you'll be able to set the model to suit your needs. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.